Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Microsoft Stream for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 3, locate the video file. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to a video which we uploaded in the previous tutorial. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com and make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to Explore all the applications. Now let's click on Microsoft Stream. And so we have the video on screen that we uploaded in the previous tutorial. How would I locate the file if I wish to know where this file is stored or located at? If I click on the three dots, I could click on open file location. That will take me to where this video is stored in. So here we have screen recording. If I click on this video, it will open up the video within SharePoint. And so the video itself is stored in OneDrive, can be opened up using SharePoint or Microsoft Stream. Let's close my files within OneDrive. Go back to screen recording. Go to admin's files, and it's the same destination where the video itself is stored. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.